Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've got a very big box here and this is a year-old mystery box. And I ordered it a year ago from Back to the Toys. And the reason why it's been a year is because it was right before my YouTube break that I ordered it. So it's been staring at me in my closet for a whole year. And I am really excited to see what's in here. So I ordered the Harry Potter mystery box and the Disney mystery box. And both of them should have 4 and it was €40 per box. So I don't know if they're in separate boxes in here or just put in there at the... We will find out together. So I am just going to start opening this thing up. Okay, there's a lot of this stuff. And now I am going to try not to peek, but something is already peeking out. I'm just going to have to watch it. I think they are in bags. At least I feel one bag with 2 in them, but I just want to take one out first. I think I've got one. I think you can really see it. Oh my god, come on, come on. And the first one is Harry Potter himself. So Harry is all bloody on the face and the hands. Okay, the next one in this little bag is going to be... Ron! Is he bloody as well? No, he's not bloody. So Ron is in a very cool looking pose. And the only unfortunate thing is that the box is damaged on the back side. So it can happen, but that's a little bit of a pity. Okay. Okay. So now there's a box in the box. And I'm going to keep it in that box so I won't see. So I don't know if I'm going to pull out another Harry Potter or Disney now, but... yeah, I have one. And the next one is... Harry Potter with a kitty Patronus. So this is a really cute Patronus. Okay. And the next one is going to be... Hermione. So this is such a cool Funko Pop with a little wizarding wand in her hand. Okay, so I think this was all of the Harry Potter ones. Let me put it like this. Yes. Okay, so now, if I'm correct, we're going to have some Disney Funko Pops. And the first one's going to be... oh, Mr. Toad. Oh my god, he looks so crazy, but this is so cool. This is from the Disneyland Resort 65th anniversary. I still think he's creepy, but it's still pretty cool. Next Disney one I'm going to get is... ooh, Pinocchio the Blue Fairy. I don't have a lot with Pinocchio, but I really do like this Funko. Okay. Next one I'm going to get is... it's a Small World, England. This is so cute. So next to the England one you have United States on here, Japan and Kenya. Okay, the very last one. Let me see. So last one's going to be... oh, another one! Japan! So I really love the little outfit. So this is the whole mystery box haul, and do I think it's worth it? It's like for the 4 of them it was €40, so €10 a piece. I don't think so. For me there's not a chase in there or anything special, so I would not do it again, but I really liked doing this. And I think my favorite is the Mr. Toad one. He's still very creepy, but I really love that this is an anniversary Funko Pop. So that's going to be the favorite. So thank you so much for watching and I really hope you liked it and I will see you next time. So as you can see, I have a very big... ik spam... oh nee. Ik ga gewoon weer aan joggen. Oh, what is stuff. Oops.